Right here I'm standing at the foyer, and this wall in front of me is the wall that I would like to eliminate. The closet will be removed and the entire wall. So now I'm walking up the stairs from the front door and just emphasizing this closet. And here's my dining room and china cabinet. It was my mom's, so I want to get rid of that. The formal living room and dining room are separated by a fireplace. The sliding door goes to the outside. So this entire wall I would like to eliminate, well, I'm going to eliminate in order to bring the natural light into the kitchen. So when I was renovating my outside, this right here used to be a window where these shelves are. So I eliminated that window because I want to use that for cabinet space. So currently, these are the cabinets that I have, and they all have this thing above the cabinets that I think is wasted space. I would love to have cabinets that are like open at the top, with the clear glass. So even on top of the refrigerator, that has that piece there. I think that's a waste of space. But that whole wall is going away. So that wall will not be there anymore. And I'm thinking I want like an island. I wanted to point out that they used to have these sliding doors, So I was losing a lot of space too to those doors. Here's the window that I have in the kitchen, microwave, broken one, and one I replaced. Now we switch to the bathroom. So the renovation is kitchen and bath. Currently, I have the double sink cabinet and the big mirror. I want to actually flip the location. This is how the toilet is divided from that area. I'm gonna keep that. I don't know if I want paint or tile. That's a new window, and I don't think I want this plastic stuff anymore. I'm not sure. You can help me out. I saw where they have these cabinets now to put all my stuff. So I actually have a shower, two showers, one single one and one that goes with the bathtub. So my vision is to swap the sink that you saw when I first came in with this tub. So I want my tub to be on the side where the sink is, because I feel like it has more room on that side, and I want a bigger tub, like maybe those claw tubs or something. And I wanted to have a handle so you could still like shower yourself off or help with wash my hair and rinse my hair off. I hope this gives you an idea of what I'm looking to do.